and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you cooking without flame. So today's recipe we're going to make is Idli Slider. So first we are going to make the batter. So the ingredients are 2 bowls of suji, then 1 bowl of curd, a little bit of black pepper and a little bit of salt and water to make the batter. So let's get started. So first we need 2 bowls of suji. Then we are going to add 1 bowl of curd. After adding curd, now we are going to put a little bit of black pepper. See? That's enough. Next, we are going to put a little bit of salt. Okay. Now we are going to add water to make batter. Next, we are going to stir it. This is going to get messy. Ooh. So friends, add more water to make paste. Whoa! Wow guys, it's super fun! Finally, we are done making the paste. See? Ooh. Let's stir a little bit more. Now I am going to show you the idli stand. So, these holes are to pour the batter so it becomes into idli. Now let's keep the batter for 15 minutes. So friends, take your parents' help to cook idli. Tada! Our idlis are ready. Here is the salad, cucumber, tomato, lettuce and a flag. Now the idlis are here. Now we are going to spread some sauce. Yummy! Next we are going to put 1 lettuce, then 1 tomato, and then 1 cucumber, then another idli on the top, and then the flag. Wow! OMG friends! Our idli slider is ready! Wow! We even did it without flame! Hope you find it easy to make idli slider. So bye! Hope you had fun learning how to make idli slider without flame. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And you could also make this yourself. Don't trouble your mothers. Bye!